Transferring money from a Cash App to a Greendot card is a simple process. Let's walk through the steps together. Firstly, link your bank account to the Cash App. Open the Cash App on your mobile device, tap on the profile icon or balance at the top of the screen, and scroll down to select Add Bank. Follow the prompts to link your bank account. Next, transfer funds from the Cash App to your bank account. Open the Cash App, tap the Balance tab on your home screen, enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account, tap Cash Out and choose the linked bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Confirm the transfer. Once the funds are in your linked bank account, you can load them onto your Greendot card. Log into your Greendot account online, or use the Greendot mobile app to initiate a transfer from your linked bank account to your Greendot card. After loading the funds onto your Greendot card, make sure to monitor your balance to ensure the transfer was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from your Cash App to your Greendot card. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.